This what it's about, man. Coming out having fun, catching nice sized crabs. Oh yeah, good day, great day. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. We're about to do some crabbing, and we are out here on this beautiful fall morning. It's chilly here in North Florida. The tide is coming in, so it's going that way, and it is low tide. And excuse the wind, so this video is probably going to be windy, y'all, because the wind is already blowing now. And I got 5 traps out. Good morning. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already got them out, and if you want to know how to set them up, go back to some of my previous videos, and I showed you guys how I loaded the videos up. There are so many birds and seagulls, y'all, just all in my mix. Somebody probably been out here feeding them, but anyways, y'all, we're gonna have a good day. Catch us like a 12.5. Hopefully we can catch like a 12.5, and we're gonna get up out of here. And I appreciate you guys coming through to my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Go down to the bottom, read the comments for the description, read the description box for all the things that I use, and leave your comments down below. I try my best to answer them. And I appreciate you guys that support the channel, like my videos, and you actually watch them and you share them. And I can tell if you watch the video, because sometimes I'll say stuff in the video and you guys will ask me the same questions that I just answered. And the weather is changing, y'all, so the colder it get, the less crabbing I'm gonna be able to do. Look at the bird, y'all. Yeah, the weather's getting colder, y'all, so I'm probably gonna try to get this last month of crabbing in, and maybe it warm up a little bit, but as that water gets warm, the crabbing's gonna be done.
Good morning.
Good morning, man. How you doing?
Good.
All right. So hopefully we have a good day, y'all, and let's get it, man. Y'all, look at these birds. They don't give a dang. I'm right here. Let's see if they mess with the chicken. But yeah, y'all, I'm just getting out here, setting up my traps, breaking my chicken loose, and look at them. Look at these little birds, man. I wonder how close I can get. Oh, he got one leg. Getting it in. It's crazy. Chickens eating birds. We got one bird right here. I'm about to call him a crab. He got one leg. He hopping around. I wonder what happened, boy. He had to amputate. What kind of birds are these, y'all? Y'all know? It's a bunch of them flying around. It's a ton of them flying around, man. I should back up, but I don't want them to come over here and start doodling on all my stuff, but it's my setup, y'all. Let me finish loading up these traps, y'all. These little birds ain't scary, boy. They ain't scary at all. I'll let them get a little action. I got a trap on the backside. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put my traps at, y'all, because there's a man over here. He crabbing already, so I don't want to get in his way. Might do better right now because it's so cold to go deep. Might do better just to go deeper with the crab traps while the tide is low. Hopefully we catch a good little bit. Y'all, I know it's probably windy, so it's fall now, y'all. The weather's changing. It's chilly. And it's not such a sunny day, but it's okay. We're gonna make it do it. Look, y'all. These little birds, boy, they don't give a damn. Look, see how close I can get. It is what it is. Bait these last two up, y'all. Get to dropping. It's been about 5 minutes, y'all. Let's see what we have in the action besides turtles. One male crab. And he's a keeper, y'all. So, I should have brought my bucket. But yeah. That's a good sign. First pull, crab. Where my tongs at? Oh. Might have left my tongs in the car, y'all. Might have left my tongs in the car. I sure did. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Yeah, I might have left my tongs in the car. Dang. Gotta go back and get them, y'all. Got to go get them. I'm tired of these birds, man. Shoot. I got this trap in the shallow, y'all. All right, I guess I'm hand picking up the crabs so I catch them. I hope I don't catch. Oh, I'm gonna say I hope I don't catch, but I want to catch a lot. But oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Two nice. Oh, that's a male and a female. Definitely keeper crabs. That's what we're looking for. Oh, nice and rusty too. Got a rusty one in there. Y'all see him? Hey. Oh yeah, that's what we talking about. Got us some crabs today, y'all. Trying to get up out of there. My boy trying to get up out of there. He almost out too. Oh yeah. This look like a good day already, boy. We got 3 crabs in the first pull, y'all. Heck yeah. That's what's up. Already, baby. Now just let me get some big, large crabs. Them right there were like mediums, y'all. Mediums pushing 5, cause they probably just at 5, but we'll take those anyway, right, y'all? Cause we own them, baby. It's gonna be a good day already. Whoa, excuse me. Oh Lord. Didn't get nothing in that one. Oh, the tide coming in, y'all. Dang, that's why tide was low. So now it's coming in. That's why the water's going that way. That's why the water's going that way. See, the tide is coming in. So my trap's about to start going that way. But it's all good. Ooh, come on now. Give me, oh, nothing. All right, y'all, so we might be all right, man. We might be all right. I just dropped this one. This is the last one I dropped, so ain't no crabs in this one. I know that for sure. I could be wrong, but yeah, see, there's in that one. Oh my gosh, it's so chilly, y'all. Sorry, guys, but I just caught these and they're going in the cooler. Yes, sir. The deeper you go, the more you don't catch nothing. Oh, we got one crab. What's this? Male with no claws. Should fish with them. That's what I should do. All right, y'all. So I just tied this on here, and we about to go down here and cast this a little bit. Do a little bit of casting. You can also do chicken on the string down here, y'all. A lot of people do that. But let me see if we can do a little bit of casting from over here. This is so peaceful, y'all. Just don't understand. I like crabbing. I like catching fish when I do catch the fish, but this is just so peaceful, man. Look at the view, bro. Look, that's where I come down from. Look at the view, y'all. Sun's not beaming right now, but this is awesome. North Florida weather fall time. Crabbing isn't the best, but it is a little better on the other spot where the other guy is. But I'm just chilling, man. That's all. Nothing big. I'm just chilling, doing my thug thizzle. Y'all be getting on me about letting my lure come all the way up and touching the ring on the end, so let me not do that. Look, y'all, I'm always up there on that pier, but this is how it is down the bottom. This is where that one time there was a big ass shark up under here, dead, and those vultures was eating the heck out of them. This is crazy work, man. I'm over this motherfucker. I don't want to be cussing like that on y'all, boy, but look at this, y'all. I done got my lure stuck somewhere. Oh, there it go. God. Hell no. Even if I did catch a fish over here, it's gonna be a bunch of rocks on him. I ain't gonna be able to do nothing with him. You feel me? It's oyster beds all down here. I'm about to get tangled up, y'all. I know I am. Right there when I stopped. This is awesome. I feel like a real fisherman around it. You feel me? I'm out this thing doing my thug thizzle. Boy, if I land a big fish, that'll just jump up. Boy, I go crazy. I ain't gonna want to touch him, but it's fun. Got us a male crab, y'all. Damn. How cool is that? I didn't even check the other trap. Let's check this trap in the shallow, y'all. Oh, we got some crabs in this one now. Small female crabs, but we'll let them go. A lot of times they swim up out of there, y'all. So we got one that's so hungry it ain't swimming out. There it go. Oh yeah, so the shallow gonna start taking over, y'all. So let's go on and move the traps. I got 3 over here. I got 1 over there, y'all. I just caught a crab because I threw it. But I wish I would have had my camera on, but I didn't. So it is what it is. Okay, we'll move this one to the shallows. He just throw this shit in there. Dang, finally a big crab, bro. Sheesh. Finally a big male crab. Finally a big male crab, y'all. God dang. You made the other ones look like babies. You made the other crabs look like damn babies. This is a large crab, y'all. Sometimes, yeah, y'all, I wasn't even filming, man. I got a big crab right here. I was just pulling the trap up. Dang. All right, y'all see how big that is, man. We got a nice heavy, and he's rusty. The males might be coming in, y'all. Let's see. Let me dump this in my bucket, y'all. My bad, man. I was on the phone talking to my homeboy about my car, and I wasn't recording, guys, so it is what it is, but y'all see that. That boy's stuck in there, y'all. He don't want to come out for nothing. We're gonna try to get him up out of here, though. Gosh. Yeah, he don't want to let go because he think he... There you go. He might let go now. There we go. It's a nice big male, y'all. Thank goodness, man. I'm about to slide, but... dang, that's a nice male right there. See, man, this all I be wanting right here. 12 of these, I'm good. Gosh. Got 2 big males, right? Just like that, y'all. 2 big males. Let's put these boys in the cooler, man. Two big males. Yes, sir. Get your butt in the cooler, man. Why you let go now? What you hanging on for? It's the end of the road, Jack. Well, not yet, but it's gonna be. There we go. Dang, y'all, my bad, man. I was on the phone talking to my dog, Mike Francis. Y'all know him from the beach. Mike Francis, my dog. Here we go. Let's see what we got something right here. Snails. Snails. All right. We got an action right here. Big crab. I knew it. Big crab on deck. Yes, sir. The males are coming in, and that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Get in there, man. We ain't got time for the talking. We ain't got time for the talking. Just go on in there. We ain't got time to play with you. You know, I ain't got time to show you off like I normally do. Let them see you. Trying to catch them, baby. Let's see. Let's toss this one right here. Already checked that one. Now we're about to go way over there. Let's see what we're turking with. Glad the crab in the pit though, y'all. I just caught 3 nice males back to back, so that's pretty cool. Caught 1 big female before that, but I didn't get that action, y'all. The crab was swimming on top of the water about 15 feet out, and I threw my crab trap past it and just pulled it up fast and caught the crab, y'all. Big crab too. Crazy work, but I did it. All right, let's see if we got any action over here. Big crab on deck. No crab on deck. God dang. All right, y'all. We ain't got nothing in that one. This one, I don't know if this one on the bottom or not. That's what I hate. I can't see the bottom, bro. Oh, yes, sir. Bob. Big dog. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Come on, man. What's up? God dang. Another big dog. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you, boy. Let go. Nice and rusty. Big dog. Yes, sir. Cooler way over there, so in the bucket he's going. What kind of bird is that, y'all? A bald eagle. A bald eagle, bro. Crazy work. Dang, that's crazy. I was just looking up, just looked up and seen the bald eagle flying overhead. That mother was big too. Wow. Goddamn Florida bald eagle, y'all. North American bald eagle. But we call it Florida because he's in Florida, so. Let's see if we got any crabs. Got 2 crabs. We got 2 crabs, y'all. That's cool. Gonna put these in the, come on now. There you go. Get you turned over. There's 2 more crabs, and forgot what them called. Yeah, we got that. Boom! That's a big crab, but it has no legs. Might let it go, y'all. Might let it go, cause I don't want no crab with no claws. Not right now, but he suffered enough, y'all. And he's white. He's soft. He's soft, y'all, so it's okay to let him go. Look, swift currents. Boy, this current goes so fast, y'all. For real. That's no joke. Current is crazy. Look at the bird chilling. That bird's still eating on the chicken. All right, y'all. Big crowd right here. Oh, wow. Look at that big boy. With the chicken in his mouth. About to go in the cooler. Well, not in the cooler, but the bucket. Dang, that was a big crab. What a, oh dang. I passed one. Come on now. I don't know if this is on the bottom, y'all, because I'm not catching nothing in it. Oh, I got female crab. Little size to her. Y'all, my trap is getting pulled under the bridge, man. Look. Oh. Dang, y'all. I'm glad I pulled this up. We got a big male. Shoot. Boy, we got a big piece of chicken in his mouth. Dang. Well. Dang, that's crazy. That's a big male, y'all. Shoot. Let's get him up out of here. Dang. He got a big piece of chicken in his mouth, too. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, he turned that chicken up. Dang. He's nice and rusty. I'll put him in here. Let him eat his chicken. Let him eat on his chicken. Let him eat his chicken. Well, I was about to move this, but because of the current, it's taking it too fast. But I guess it's all right. The current pulling it up under the bridge, y'all. That current is moving super fast. Look at that. Y'all see how fast that's moving? Look. It's moving crazy. All right, y'all, I'm done crabbing from the boat ramp. That's it for me. Yep. I ain't catch nothing this over here, so we done over here. That's a nice speckle right there, boy. I ain't seen one that big over here.
You hit that bitch twice, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice speckle right there, boy. Ooh-wee. You ain't gonna keep them?
No.
Dang.
I don't eat fish, bro.
It's Pikachu.
right, y'all. So while I've been crabbing, when I came out here earlier, I threw out a box trap way down here. But I wrapped up, y'all. Pretty much done. About to get up out of here, but let's see if I had any action down here with this box trap. Now I gotta find it. I don't need this. Let's go down here, y'all, and see if we can find it. Y'all, look at the park. It's a nice park. Benches. They just put these benches and stuff out here. But I hope somebody ain't take my trap, cause I dang sure don't see it. Oh boy, I'm about to say somebody took my box trap, bro. I done walked too far down. It's right here. Dang, boy, I was about to be scared, boy. What's living in the shoreline, y'all? What are those? Oyster reef balls. Core modules. Oh, interesting. Oh, they built those. I always wondered what those were, though. Oh, they must have made them. I don't know what they did. That's what's up. You in there? Oh yeah. Trying to take care of the ocean, y'all. Take care of the shorelines, I guess. All right, y'all. I threw a trap down here, and I've been letting it sit down here while I was out here the whole time. So let's see if we caught anything. Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, y'all, look, we got some big crabs. Oh yeah, and we got a mangrove snapper. Awesome. They ain't do nothing to my fish, so I guess I'll keep it. Got a mangrove snapper and what you call it, 1 2 3 4 crabs and a little baby mangrove snapper, y'all. Let's get them up out of here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome right there. Look at that big boy. That's a big dog right there. That one not too big, but he big enough. That's a big dog right there. Nice and rusty. Yes sir. Just gonna put these in. Dump these out, y'all. Dump that fish out too while I'm at it. Well, this takes my little total up a good little bit with the crabs. I ain't even gonna dump them, y'all. I'm gonna just grab them. Fish. The fish or you, I can grab you. This one don't look that big, y'all, so I don't care. I'll let this one go. But the rest of y'all big. Snapper, whatever snapper you are, I don't know what you are, but this is a fish, y'all. I don't know what that is. Y'all tell me what that is in the description. Y'all see it. What kind of fish is this? Y'all know. I'm just guessing. Throw that one in there. Nice size meal right here. I'm stuck myself. Well, I could pull the rest of them in the bucket, y'all. Gosh, my tongues are stuck. There we go. Get up out of there. Got a nice crab right here. Let that one go. You can go in there too, my guy. There you go. But that's it. Well, that's it, y'all. We got 3 keeper crabs. We'll throw these in the cooler. Awesome. All right, y'all, we had a great day, man. We had a good time catching crabs, had a lot of back-to-back action, did a little bit of fishing. The weather has changed and got real gloomy, but yeah, we did all that in a short period of time, maybe about 3 hours. So here's the damage. And yeah, man, I think this is a good day, y'all. It's over a dozen crabs, so we did that. And y'all seen my box trap, but appreciate you guys for coming through my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Go down below, leave your comments. Check the description box down below for some of the things that I use. I have my email address listed also. I just appreciate you guys, and make sure you share my videos. If you're watching on TV, go on my channel and subscribe, y'all. Go subscribe, man. And peace out.